In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use an inventory management board in Monday.com using a template. First, open your Monday.com account and head to your main home screen. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace where you want this new board to live. From the home page, look for the option that opens the Template Center. On many accounts, this appears as a highlighted button or link like Start with Template. Go ahead and click that. Using a template is the fastest way to get a fully structured inventory board without building every column from scratch. Once the Template Center opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search field and start typing the keyword related to inventory or the name of the template you're looking for. As you type, Monday.com will filter the available templates. When you see the inventory template you want, click on it to open its details. This preview usually shows the board layout, example items, and the types of columns included. On the Template Details page, click Use Template. Monday.com will then create a new board in your account based on that structure. After a few seconds, your new inventory board will open. Here, you'll see groups and items that you can customize, such as different product names or equipment models. Now, start by clicking on specific item names to get familiar with how things are organized. For example, you might see rows for different computer models like laptops from various brands. Click on each of these item names one by one. This helps you confirm that every product you track has its own row and that the basic information is in place. Next, move across the columns. Click into the inventory-related column, such as Inventory Management or a similar label. This column often shows the current stock quantity or status for each item. You can click the existing numbers, like 60 or 55, and update them to match your real stock levels. Take a moment to adjust the quantities for a few items so you see how easy it is to keep your data current. Then, click into the Date column labeled something like Stock Check Date. Here, you can select or update the date when you last checked that item's stock. Keeping this date accurate is useful for audits and for making sure your data isn't stale. You may also have columns for categories such as computers or status fields like Order Status. Click these fields, choose the appropriate label, and ensure each item sits in the right category and has the right order status. Finally, look towards the top or side of the board for a chart view. Click on Chart to open a visual representation of your inventory data. This can show stock levels or status breakdowns at a glance, making it much easier to spot low stock or trends without scanning every row manually.